Hey everyone, welcome back to our Billionaire Strategies You Can Copy series. If you're passionate about success, innovation, and learning from the world's most influential business minds, you're in exactly the right place. Every week, we dive deep into the stories of those who've shaped industries and changed the way we live, work, and dream. I'm John, your host, and today's episode is a truly special one that's close to the heart of anyone who's ever admired style, ambition, or the power of reinvention. We're about to explore the extraordinary life and legacy of a man whose name is synonymous with timeless elegance and entrepreneurial genius. Today, we're talking about Giorgio Armani, the legendary fashion billionaire who just passed away at the remarkable age of 90. Armani's journey wasn't just about designing beautiful clothes, it was about breaking boundaries, redefining luxury, and inspiring millions around the globe. From humble beginnings in post-war Italy to becoming a global icon, Armani's story is a testament to vision, resilience, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Armani wasn't just about clothes. He built an empire that turned elegance into billions of dollars. His influence stretched far beyond the runway, shaping the very culture of fashion and business. He transformed Milan into a fashion capital, set new standards for luxury, and showed the world that true style is about more than just appearance. It's about attitude, confidence, and authenticity. So stick with me until the very end, because I'm going to break down the powerful lessons we can all learn from Armani's journey. Lessons that you can apply to your own path to financial freedom. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a creative thinker, or someone looking to elevate your life, Armani's strategies are packed with wisdom you won't want to miss. We'll uncover how he turned setbacks into opportunities, built a brand that stood the test of time, and maintained his integrity in a world obsessed with trends. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe right now. Your support helps us bring you more inspiring stories and actionable strategies from the world's top achievers. Plus, it ensures you never miss an episode packed with insights that could change your life. Get your friends, family, and colleagues to watch too, because the more people who see this content, the more we can help others break free from financial struggles. Imagine the impact we can make together, empowering people everywhere to dream bigger, work smarter, and achieve more. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. This episode is packed with inspiration, practical advice, and the kind of behind-the-scenes stories that rarely get told. So grab a notebook, settle in, and let's unlock the secrets behind Giorgio Armani's incredible rise to the top. Born in Italy in 1934, Armani lived through poverty, wars, and a changing economy. He started from nothing, no silver spoon, no trust fund, yet he built a global luxury brand that became a symbol of wealth, style, and independence. But here's the thing, Armani's success wasn't just about fashion. It was about timing, discipline, and creating multiple streams of income. That's the same reason people today, maybe even you, are stuck to paycheck or buried in debt. It's not that you're not working hard, it's that you don't have the blueprint yet. Armani did. Think about it, Armani didn't start his empire until his 40s. Before that, he was just like many of us, working jobs, unsure of the future, trying to figure it out. And right now, you might be struggling with debt that keeps you stressed. Watching your job feel less secure in this AI-driven economy, wanting to invest but feeling lost and afraid to make mistakes, wishing you had extra income streams but not knowing where to start. If that's you, you're not alone. Armani himself faced these same uncertainties, yet he built wealth that outlived him. And that's the exact mindset we're talking about today. Before we dive deeper, let me ask you, are you ready to stop guessing and finally take control of your money? Imagine what your life could look like if you had a clear plan, a proven roadmap, and the confidence to make smart financial decisions every single day. Most people spend years feeling overwhelmed by their finances, unsure where to start, and worried about making costly mistakes. But it doesn't have to be that way. You deserve to feel empowered, not anxious when it comes to your money. At Exodus Capital, we created the stock investing course for beginners to help people just like you avoid rookie mistakes and start building wealth the right way. Our course is designed to break down complex investing concepts into simple, actionable steps, so you can start investing with confidence, even if you've never bought a single stock before. You'll learn how to analyze opportunities, manage risk, and grow your portfolio over time. Plus, you'll join a supportive community of learners who are all working toward the same goal, financial freedom. And if debt is your number one battle, our debt detox program currently only $149.97, was designed to help you clear that burden fast so you can finally breathe again. Imagine waking up without the weight of debt on your shoulders, knowing you have a step-by-step plan to get out and stay out for good. Our program gives you the tools, strategies, and support you need to break free from the cycle of debt and start living life on your own terms. The links are in the description. Just scroll down, click, and you'll find everything you need to get started. Whether you're ready to invest, tackle your debt, or simply learn more, all the resources are right at your fingertips. Enroll today, because every day you wait is another day you fall behind. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see real progress. Don't let another month or another year slip by while your goals stay out of reach. Take action now and invest in your future self. Armani didn't wait, and neither should you. Success favors those who take decisive action. Make today the day you choose to move forward, and let Exodus Capital guide you every step of the way. So, what can we actually learn from Armani? Reinvention is possible at any age. Armani didn't launch his brand until his 40s. If you're in your 30s or 40s and feel like you've missed your chance, you haven't. Brand matters. Armani knew people buy more than products. They buy identity, security, and status. That's exactly why you see friends buying stocks, houses, and starting businesses. They're buying into a better future. Diversify. Armani didn't just sell suits. He had fragrances, hotels, accessories. Multiple income streams are how billionaires survive downturns. Notice something? These lessons line up directly with the financial pains everyday people face. With Armani's passing, the business world is reflecting on how one man shaped global culture. His empire is valued at billions, and now conversations are heating up about what happens next. Succession planning, legacy, and how wealth gets preserved across generations. That's exactly what you need to think about. How will your financial choices today set you up for tomorrow? Will your kids and grandkids inherit stress and debt, or security and wealth? Armani made sure his name lives on. What about you? Armani's story shows us that no matter where you start, you can build something that lasts. He began with humble roots in Piacenza, far from the glitz and glamour of Milan's fashion runways. Yet, through vision, relentless work, and a refusal to settle for less, he transformed his dreams into a global legacy. Armani's journey is proof that greatness isn't reserved for the privileged few. It's available to anyone willing to put in the effort and take bold steps forward. But here's the catch: it doesn't happen by accident. Every empire, every fortune, every legacy you admire was built on a foundation of intentional action. Success is never a coincidence. It's the result of countless small decisions, sacrifices, and a willingness to keep moving even when things get tough. It happens when you decide to act, when you stop waiting for the perfect moment and start creating opportunities for yourself. The difference between those who dream and those who achieve is simple: action. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. So here's your move. If debt is holding you back, don't let it define your future. Grab our debt detox program right now. It's only $149.97. This program is designed to help you break free from the cycle of debt, regain control of your finances, and start building a foundation for lasting wealth. Imagine the relief of waking up without financial stress, knowing you have a plan and the tools to succeed. If you're ready to build wealth step by step, enroll in our stock investing course for beginners today. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know where to begin. We'll guide you through the basics, help you avoid common mistakes, and show you how to make your money work for you, no matter your starting point. The links are right below. Just scroll down, click, and take your first step toward financial freedom. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Your future self will thank you for the action you take today. Don't just watch billionaires. Learn from them, copy their discipline, and build your own financial empire. Study their habits, their mindset, and their strategies. Remember, every billionaire started somewhere, often with nothing but a dream and a willingness to work harder than anyone else. And before you go, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with friends, family, and colleagues. You never know who in your circle might need this message right now. By sharing, you're not just helping us. You're helping others take their first step toward a better financial future. The algorithm only pushes videos that you engage with, and we need to get this message to the people who are struggling most. Your engagement can make a real difference in someone's life. maybe even change their future forever. I'm John, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Billionaire Strategies You Can Copy. Remember, your legacy starts with the actions you take today, so go out there and make it happen.